first video, and in this video I am going to show you how to convert 230 volt AC to different DC voltages without using tap transformer. So in this video I am going to convert 230 volt AC to different DC voltages like 5 volt, 8 volt, 12 volt and 18 volt.
So first of all, we need to see what component we require to build this circuit. The first, we require a transformer. I have used 1.5 ampere transformer to 230 volt to 24 volt. We require 4 diode IN5408 to build full wave rectifier. The current rating of IN5408 is 3 ampere. We need a utility capacitor. The rating of capacitor is 100 microfarad, 63 volt. 63 volt has been used because voltage rating of capacitor should be 50% more of max voltage across it. In this case, max voltage across capacitor is approx 40 volt. If you use 25 volt capacitor, it may blast. So as you can see in this figure, the longer pin of capacitor is positive terminal and the shorter one is negative. And of course we need breadboard, PCB and wire. And the different voltage regulator IC that I have used is 7805, 7808, 7812 and 7818. And now from you given. So now let's make this circuit on breadboard. The black wire is here earth wire or ground wire. Circuit diagram, you can see how to build this circuit. As per the given circuit diagram, the 230 volt AC is stepped down through the transformer to 24 volt AC. Now this alternating current passes through diodes. I have used IN5408 diode and the max current that passes through this diode is 3 amp. Now AC is rectified and we get pulsating DC current with some AC component, and this output can be seen through the next figure that I have shown. It is pulsating. This circuit is known as full wave rectifier. To get constant DC output, we need to put capacitor. The capacitor charges and discharges. If large amount of current is being drawn, we need to put a big capacitors like 470 microfarad. Large capacitor require more time to discharge, hence we get smooth output. The voltage across capacitor is root 2 times of VRMS. Here VRMS voltage is 24 volt. The output will be between the positive terminals of the ICs and ground. I have used 7-8 series voltage regulator ICs. It is a 3-pin linear regulator IC and it required heatings at a time. You can see the pin configuration from the next figure, and we will see the heat generated is V out minus V in into the current flowing through the IC. So as you can see from the given table, 7805 require minimum 7 volt as input to give 5 volt output, and maximum 25 volt can be given as input to get 5 volt. The heat generated in 7-8 series is V in minus V out into output current. So the large input current, larger will be the heat generated. So what I did, I gave the output of 7818 to 7812 and 7808. Similarly, I gave output of 7812 to 7805, so minimum heat is generated. Thank Thank you for watching this video, and our next video will be on laser switch.